Hello friends, welcome to my channel Paint and Melody. Today I am going to teach about air pollution. The factories, chimneys causes smokes and fuel. That's why it causes air pollution. So this drawing will help kids for school projects and all. This is a very simple drawing I am going to make. So look here. This is a very easy way of this drawing. You can follow. Small kids also can make this drawing very easily. Now here I made the hill, factories, smoke coming out from there. Now sun, some greens, green area, trees and all. Actually all my drawings are very easy for the small kids which want to learn the easy drawings. So my drawing is ready. Now color time. I am going to fill the green color over here. I am using two mediums, plastic crayons as well as oil pastels. So some area of the green I am filling with the light green. Like this, the color should not go out while you are drawing something or color something. Color should not go out from the boundary line. Now I rub some portion of the downside which I may want to make something else there. I'm going to make a trees. Yeah. So see, very simple way to make trees. The drawing is almost ready. The coloring is left. So see how easily you can color. This drawing is very useful for the kids project actually. The kids want to make air pollution in a very easy way. They can make this. And the topic is the air pollution causes by the factories, how the smokes coming out from there and how it gets polluted the environment. I'm giving strokes of green over here. It will give the different look because shading is really very important. I'm doing outlinings with the black brush pen. Actually I'm using brush pen. You can use the sketch pen or black marker. It's almost done. little bit things left. So small kids also make this drawing very easily. Whoever not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for the notifications. All kinds of drawing I uploaded there, that is very useful. If you subscribe my channel, you will get all the notifications. स्मोक्स के लिए हम लोग ग्रे कलर यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Sun, orange color and a light orange. ये light orange है. Purple, dark purple. Yellow, so the drawing is almost ready. येलो ऑकर से थोड़ा डाउन साइड में लाइट शेडिंग करेंगे. That's it. Drawing is almost ready. So please subscribe my channel and do like, share and share with your friends and family.